Okay, after doing the back end, now let's do the front end. Okay, I'll not create a React app from the scratch because I'm not connected to the internet, but let me show you the command used to create a React application. The command is npx create React app, then followed by React project name. Okay, so this is command npx okay, so it should be like this. Then make sure that you are connected to the internet, so as the default project structure can be fetched from online. So as here you can see I don't have internet, but make sure when you learn this command you are in your project directory. Okay, so like here, make sure, let me copy this, okay, then what I can do, change the directory. Okay, so as here you can see there are two directory, backend and the front end. So you should learn that command on your root project folder. Okay, so learn this command, then front end React project folder will be created. Okay, so after that, the next thing to do is, once you open packages.json, let me show you something here. You will need to install additional packages. Okay, make sure you install Axios, make sure you install React DOM, and it is pretty simple. Make sure you install React Router DOM. You can install Redux and Axios, but you will almost not use them, but they are vital for you as long as you are creating a bigger project. The React version, my React version is you can see 18.1.0. so make sure you have the same React version, because the last tutorial for me to teach about React.js was a simple code application, and I used the React.js 6 point something. But so far from React.js 16 up to React.js 19, a lot of things have been changed. Okay, so make sure you have the same version like the version I have.